Give you an apartment?
I want an apartment.
I'm have to rent you an apartment.
No, buy me an apartment.
Oh.
So I just showed a video with a girl on Toxic Talk. And again, Jeffrey find it again. The man doesn't find the content, but share your thoughts.
Well, I mean, it named Toxic Talk, so I can't understand. So I see this little girl, and I say, alright, nice, whatever. But then she start talk. The first thing will come out of her mouth, if she homeless. Because when Sugar said the man need for buy her an apartment, we want to know if every boyfriend when she have, if them buy her an apartment and she just over here collect real estate. We want to know if it's an investment that. Then Sugar say, she not gonna figure, okay, cool. But she start list out the things that the man need for do for her. And may I say, fine, she's a decent looking young lady, right? And may I say, somebody out there will do it, you know, but she not gonna want to stand up beside of that man they were gonna do it. That man what she described, he is there, but I know who she want. But can't imagine some. I'm not even gonna describe the man name because that could be disrespectful to the man name without the girl out here. I'm not disrespect them today. But hope she know when she has signed up for what she get into because it's not her type. But them say bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
And here you go, people. There you have it. What's your thoughts? As usual, what are your thoughts?